This week is going to be a busy one for investors. We only have 4 days trading due to Labor Day. The field is packed with economic data, earnings, eyes on the Federal Reserve. This lens will be focused on August job reports, Fed uncertainty. Several big name tech companies will move the markets this week. The biggest story this week is on Friday, the August job report. It will be released on Friday and is the first report since July's dramatic revision shocking investors. In July, the economy added only 73,000 jobs. That was a huge wake-up call for the Federal Reserve. For August, economics expected another 75,000 jobs to be added for the unemployment rate to rise 4.3%. This matters because the health of the labor market is directly tied to what the Federal Reserve does next. A weaker job report would increase pressure from the Fed rate to cut in September. The job report is not for only Fed story this week. There's also uncertainty over who will actually be sitting in the Fed's board of governors by the end of the week. Beyond the job reports, there are still plenty of other economic numbers to watch. On Wednesday, we will be getting the JOLT job openings report, which gives insight into economic activity across the country. On Thursday, we'll be seeing ADP's private payroll data and jobless claims. Those will give us an early read before Friday's official job numbers. Earnings side, this week includes some big names. Salesforce, Broadcom, Lululemon, DocuSign, Macy's will all report results. Stocks finished last week little changed. Optimism about the economy pushed indexes record highs on Thursday, but softer inflation data picked them back Friday. Even with that dip, August marked the fourth straight winning month for the major indexes. The S&P 500 closed above 6,500 for the first time as we head into the final month of the third quarter. If you found these breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I will keep an update on these stories developing. Tap into the key stocks that you need to be investing in September. First one we got on the list is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently at $109,000. We've seen Bitcoin have a phenomenal run this year. Ever since the terrorist scare with Donald Trump, Bitcoin fell down to $75,000 in April. Now we've already rose up to $109,000, which is about a 66% return on investment. It's already up $49,000 from that dip. But now Bitcoin, we have even bigger chances of reaching to $160,000 with these two rate cuts that are up ahead. Ethereum is one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. Currently sitting at $4,400. Ethereum allows more adoptable applications to be developed on the Web3, and it's a decentralized applications with the smart contract. I mean, we already seen it pull up about 112% from the dip it had in April to 1,300. Now we currently have it back to 14,400 within only 3 months. This has been the biggest short squeeze we ever seen in cryptocurrency. Next we have on the list is UnitedHealth. UnitedHealth has been a stock that's been BTA is getting beat up this year, and we know that this stock has a phenomenal chance of recovering with how much contracts it has from the government, how much investors already poured into this company. $228 billion market cap. People have been investing into this company the last 30 to 50 years. This company's not going anywhere. I mean, it lost 51%, half the value in a year. Is already a great sign for us to start taking interest and pouring some funds in this company to double what we put in. Now we're already down half what we were. We shot up to $311 once we got confirmation of Warren Buffett that pulled in $1 billion into this company. Price target for UnitedHealth, it will be $600 in 2026. Next one we have on the list is CoreWeave. CoreWeave is one of the next AI companies that's going to be expanding, getting funded by the U.S. government. CoreWeave is currently sitting at $103. We've seen CoreWeave past 3 months, a phenomenal run since IPO, but lately CoreWeave is down 42% from its all-time high. CoreWeave is down $101 from its all-time high, touching $188, and now currently sitting at $103. This company is going to be investing into NVIDIA's Blackwell's one of its best chips. Next, y'all should look at Tesla. Tesla been having a huge choppy few months with these candlesticks having this nice bullish flag, but price is looking like it has huge resistance between that $300 to $360 range. Every time we touch that level, Tesla seems to fall down. But once you know you test that and that resistance a few much times, price is going to break out another direction. And we look at Tesla right now, is breaking out towards this 360 range, is having trouble. But once it does, we're going to shoot up towards $400. After Tesla has rates drop with the interest rates in the Fed Reserve, people buy more Teslas, and it's going to increase revenue for Tesla stock, and it's going to even look better with its stock price reaching maybe 500 or even a new all-time high. If you found this breakful help down, make sure you comment down below, subscribe, go to SoFactScientifics.com and count the best merch Bitcoin to the moon. Other than that, see you guys in the next one.
Optics, you ballin', boy.